Hi, I'm Nisha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar with Nisha. In this lesson, you will learn about the nouns which confuse you. Do you know the difference between the words people and peoples, here and here's, fish and fishes, glass and glasses? You know you can use the word peoples too. Some people don't know that the word people is also there. So here we will learn about the words people and peoples. First one is people. Where we use people. People is used for only one country or one race. As in the example, you can see the people of India are very helpful and friendly. So here people word is always plural. It's plural, that's why it is taking the plural verb with it. R is the plural verb. Here we have used plural verb. And second thing we have to notice is that the people of India means we are talking about only one country, the people belonging to India. So here we will use the word people rather than using peoples. Second example is related to the word peoples. So peoples is used for more than one country and more than one race. When we are talking about more than one country, means maybe about two countries, means about three countries or three races, then we can use there the word peoples. So here the sentence is the peoples of Asia. It means we are talking about the countries which are included in Asia. So it means we are talking about more than one country. We can use here the word peoples. Next, we are going to talk about the word fish. It is also very confusing one, as fish has two plurals. First is fish and second is fishes. So first thing you are going to learn is that food, when we are talking about any kind of food, it is always uncountable. So when the food is uncountable, it is always singular and it takes the singular verb with it. Here in the sentence, you might notice that he ate 3 whole fish. Fish is regarded as food in this sentence. When it is regarded as the food in the sentence, then we are going to make it use as singular one. If there is any verb to be used, then you can use the singular verb with it because fish is regarded as the food. Second one, that is one type of fish. When you are talking about only one type of fish, fish means fish. It could be plural one. It could be plural one, but if we are talking about only one type of fish, then we can use there the word fish only. As in the example, we can see there are many trout fish in this pond. Many word is about the countable nouns. And it is for many means so many. It might be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it could be countable. But here we have talked about only one fish, one type of fish. Then we have used here fish word. Second one is different types of fishes. When we are talking about different types of fishes and they are plural, then we use plural verb with it and they are considered plural. That's why we use fishes word with it. This is also plural, fish is also plural, and fishes word is also plural. But they are used in different conditions. When we are talking about only one type of fish, we use the word fish as plural. But when we are talking about different types of fish, then it is as fishes. It is used as fishes. There are many trout and star. Trout and star means two types of fishes. Two types of fishes means they are different type of fishes. So we can use here word fishes. Next one is fish in general. When we are talking generally about the fish, then we can use here only the word fish. Fish cannot live without water. We are talking about fish only. Next, we are going to talk about the word here and glass. There are so many conceptions, maybe misconceptions about the word hair and glass. Can we use hairs or can we use glasses? There are so many confusions. So here the word hair is considered as uncountable noun and it takes singular verb with it. So first example is that his hair is black. His hair means we cannot count it, so it is uncountable and it is taking singular verb with it. Next one is his hairs are black. So it is incorrect to say his hairs are black because hair is uncountable. Next one is hairs with numeral adjective. When you have numeral adjective with the word hair, you can use it as hairs and you can also consider it as plural. 4 hairs on her head are gray. 4 means we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 hairs. You can use here the word hairs rather than hair because you can count it. So you can use s with hair. On her head are gray. R is used here because R is used here to show that is countable. 4 is countable. So we have used here R. Next is glass. Glass is also uncountable when we are talking about glass as a material noun. When glass is material noun, it is considered uncountable noun. This table is made of glass. Means made of glass means glass is used here as material noun and we use glass word only. Second one is 2 glasses are on the table. When we talk about 1 glass, 2 glasses, then it is countable. When it is countable, it takes plural verb with it and it takes s or es with them. So 2 glasses are on the table. Next one is his glasses are new. His glasses. Here we are talking about the things which are made of 2 parts. So glasses are also made of 2 parts. When something is made of 2 parts, then we use are verb with it. Are verb means plural verb with it. So here it is also considered as plural noun. So friends, that's all for today. Remember to subscribe my channel for more videos.